Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Strength Classroom. Today I am talking about a quick and easy and almost instant solution to elbow pain. Okay? I think it's gotta be 2012 when I first discovered this method. The strongman Derek Poundstone did this. It was really his only bicep training. And he did this to help with sore elbows from all the pressing and overhead pressing and all sorts of movements that would beat up his elbows in strongman training. Okay? So what he did, they were called Poundstone curls. You just grab an empty barbell and do 100 reps without letting go of the barbell. I promise you the first time you try this, you will not be able to. And if you're a beginner, I do not suggest this because your forearms will most likely take over the whole movement. Now, this is great because super high reps help strengthen the joints and tendons in ways that heavy weights cannot. So I'm not saying turn everything into a super high rep exercise, because heavy weight does strengthen the tendons and thickens them in a different way, and they respond to that stress in a different way. But the super high reps also have something magical about them. So Poundstone curls with a barbell will help you develop the area in your biceps to balance it out from your triceps, and thus reducing elbow pain. Another great method is to do super high reps. I don't know why I said it 3 times like I'm 5 years old, but push downs band curls, the same method. However, I don't like the band curls too much. I prefer to just do the Poundstone curls. And an ideal combination would be to do both. Band push downs, 100, even 200 reps, because it will be much lighter than the Poundstone curls. And Poundstone curls, do the 100 reps as quick as you can without setting the bar down on the floor. That is my quick and easy solution for elbow pain. It works every single time. So if you're experiencing elbow pain, that's your homework for the day. Go grab an empty barbell, 100 reps as fast as you can. Trust me, by the time you get to 60 reps, an empty barbell has never felt heavier in your life. So that's your homework. Get to it. If you like this video, please click that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share the videos with your friends if you think they'll like them as well. If you did your homework, leave them in the comments. And as always, class is dismissed.